Welcome to our channel. If you want to budget better, follow these step-by-step instructions to use your bank's built-in tools to reach savings goals. Step 1. Log into your bank's mobile app or online banking platform. Navigate to the budgeting, financial tools, or money management section. Step 2. Review how your bank automatically categorizes transactions. Most banks use artificial intelligence to sort spending into categories like groceries, restaurants, and entertainment. Step 3. Adjust spending categories if the automatic sorting is incorrect. Proper categorization gives accurate insights into where your money actually goes each month. Step 4. Set spending limits for each category based on your income and goals. Create realistic budgets for variable expenses that align with your financial priorities. Step 5. Enable budget alerts that notify you when approaching or exceeding category limits. Real-time notifications help you stay on track and make adjustments before overspending. Step 6. Create savings goals within your banking app for specific purposes. Set targets for emergency funds, vacations, or large purchases with target dates and amounts. Step 7. Link savings goals to automatic transfers, from checking to savings. Schedule recurring transfers that align with paychecks to consistently fund your goals without thinking about it. Step 8. Review spending insights and recommendations provided by your bank. Many tools offer personalized suggestions for saving money based on your transaction patterns. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.